When it comes to everyday shopping, most consumers are faced with a familiar choice. Do you head to a big box retailer like Walmart, or pop into your local dollar store for the essentials? Both types of stores have carved out their own niches in the retail landscape, but the differences in pricing, selection, and packaging can have a significant impact on your budget and shopping experience. To help you make informed decisions, let's take a closer look at 10 common household items and compare how they stack up at Walmart and dollar stores, keeping in mind that specific brands, sizes, and promotions can vary from one store to another. Let's start with paper towels. At Walmart, you'll typically find a wide selection of brands such as Bounty, Viva, and the store's own Great Value line. The rolls are often sold in multi-packs, sometimes as many as 6 or 12 rolls bundled together. This approach not only gives you the convenience of stocking up, but also reduces the price per sheet, making it a cost-effective option for larger households or anyone who uses paper towels frequently. Dollar stores, on the other hand, usually carry smaller packages, often single rolls or 2-packs, primarily from lesser-known or store brands. While the upfront cost is lower, the price per sheet is generally higher. However, if you're in need of just one roll for a quick cleanup or have limited storage space, the dollar store can be a convenient choice. Next, consider laundry detergent. Walmart's shelves are lined with a vast array of choices, from national brands like Tide and Gain to budget-friendly options like Purex and their own Great Value brand. The bottles come in various sizes, including large, concentrated jugs that can handle dozens of loads. This makes Walmart a go-to destination for families or anyone who does laundry regularly, as the cost per load is often significantly lower. Dollar stores, in contrast, offer smaller bottles or even single-use packets. These are usually less concentrated and may not stretch as far. While the price tag is appealing for those who only need to do a couple of loads or want a travel-sized option, frequent launderers will find better value at Walmart. Disinfecting wipes have become a staple in many households, especially in recent years. Walmart offers a broad selection, including large canisters and multi-packs from trusted brands like Clorox and Lysol, as well as their own store-brand alternatives. The larger containers mean a lower price per wipe, making them ideal for families or workplaces. Dollar stores, meanwhile, typically carry smaller containers with fewer wipes, often from generic or store brands. The convenience of picking up a single canister for a low price is undeniable. But if you're looking to stock up or need wipes on hand for frequent use, Walmart's bulk options are more economical. Soft drinks are another area where the two stores diverge. Walmart's beverage aisle is stocked with every imaginable brand and format: single bottles, 6-packs, 12-packs, and even 24-packs, often at competitive prices. Buying in bulk at Walmart usually delivers the best price per ounce, making it a smart choice for parties, families, or anyone who enjoys soda regularly. Dollar stores, on the other hand, tend to offer single bottles or smaller multi-packs, sometimes from off-brands or lesser-known names. The price per unit is typically higher, but for those who just want a single drink on the go, the dollar store is convenient and accessible. Snacks like chips and candy also show a clear difference. At Walmart, you'll find large bags of chips, family-sized packs, and a wide variety of national and store brands. There are often promotions and discounts, especially on larger quantities. Dollar stores focus on single-serving bags or smaller candy bars, sometimes in multi-packs of mini sizes. While the convenience and low price point are appealing for a quick treat or a lunchbox edition, the price per ounce is generally higher than what you'd pay for larger packages at Walmart. Cleaning supplies, such as all-purpose cleaners, follow a similar trend. Walmart stocks a range of brands and sizes, including concentrated formulas that last longer and offer more cleaning power per ounce. Dollar stores, meanwhile, provide smaller bottles, often from store brands or less concentrated solutions. For those with limited storage or who clean less frequently, the dollar store's smaller bottles might be just right. But for regular cleaning, Walmart's larger, more economical options are hard to beat. Toothpaste is another staple where size and brand variety come into play. Walmart carries standard and large tubes of all the major brands: Colgate, Crest, Sensodyne, and many more. plus their own store brand. The price per ounce on these larger tubes is usually lower, and there's often a wider selection to meet specific needs, such as whitening or sensitivity. Dollar stores typically offer travel-sized or smaller tubes, sometimes from lesser-known brands. If you need a compact tube for travel or just want to spend as little as possible, the dollar store fits the bill. But for everyday use, Walmart's larger tubes are a better value. When it comes to shampoo and conditioner, Walmart's shelves are packed with options. From national brands to value packs, you'll find products catering to every hair type and preference, often in large bottles or bundled deals. This makes Walmart the more economical choice for regular use. Dollar stores, in contrast, offer smaller bottles, travel sizes, or off-brand products. These are handy for short trips, gym bags, or anyone wanting to try a new product without committing to a large bottle. But they generally cost more per ounce. Canned goods, such as vegetables and soup, are pantry staples that many shoppers buy in bulk. Walmart offers standard-sized cans from a wide range of brands, often sold individually or in multi-packs, for added savings. The selection is broad, and the price per ounce is usually favorable, especially when buying multi-packs. Dollar stores might carry smaller cans, sometimes from different brands or their own store label. The price per can may seem competitive, but it's important to check the net weight. Sometimes, the cans are smaller than they appear, making the price per ounce higher than at Walmart. Finally, batteries are an essential item that can add up quickly. Walmart carries multi-packs of all common sizes, AA, AAA, and more, from well-known brands like Duracell and Energizer, as well as their own great value line. The larger packs offer a lower price per battery, making them ideal for households with lots of battery-powered devices. Dollar stores typically sell smaller packs, 2 or 4 batteries at a time, or sometimes even single batteries, often from generic or less familiar brands. While convenient for quick replacements, the price per battery is usually higher, and the quality may not match that of the name brands found at Walmart. Looking at these comparisons, a few general observations become clear. Walmart almost always offers a lower unit price, especially when you buy in bulk or choose larger package sizes. The variety is broader, with more national brands and different product lines to suit specific needs. Dollar stores, by contrast, focus on convenience and smaller quantities, which can be perfect for immediate needs, smaller households, or situations where storage space is limited. However, there are times when the dollar store's convenience outweighs the small price difference. If you need just one item, don't have room to store extras, or want to pick up a travel-sized product, the dollar store delivers. They're also a great resource for certain items like party supplies, greeting cards, and seasonal decorations, where brand or size isn't as important. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs, the quantities you require, and your shopping habits. For large households or frequent users, Walmart's bulk pricing and variety are hard to beat. For quick trips, small quantities, or when convenience is key, the dollar store is a valuable option. And remember, both types of stores run sales and promotions, so it's always worth comparing prices before making your final decision. By being mindful of package sizes, unit prices, and your own consumption patterns, you can make smart choices that stretch your dollar further, no matter where you shop.